About 10 years ago, I recorded a video for Tom Petty's unsung classic, Spike. And somebody kindly commented asking, hey, can you show me how to play it? So here I am, many weeks later, showing them how to play it. And you. So the song is mostly A. It kind of flips between A and A minor, like there's a minor E sound in there, but if you just play an A power chord, and I kind of have this little pulsing rhythm thing going on. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. And the verse is A for a long time. Then it goes to G. Keep that rhythm. Then to F. To G, back to A. And that's it. That's what happens until we get to the, we'll call it the bridge, the breakdown. Which is C and D. I think it starts on C. No, it starts on D. Then in the last one, it goes to E to bring it back around to A. Then that's it. During the hey Spike, what do you like parts, it goes to G. Hey Spike, what do you like? Back to A. Hey Spike, you're scaring my wife. So I hope that was helpful. I hope that you learn how to play it and that you have fun playing it. And I'll be back again real soon with something else. Cheers. Thanks for watching.